In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Acrobat using their website. This process is straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly, granting you full access to all the useful tools and services Adobe Acrobat has to offer. From cloud storage to e-signing, everything becomes available once you sign in. So let's start our journey to getting you signed in smoothly. First things first, you need to open the Adobe Acrobat website. If you have a web browser open, simply type in the address or search for Adobe Acrobat in your preferred search engine. Once the page loads, your eyes will naturally be drawn to the top right corner of the welcome screen. Here, you'll find the all-important sign in option. Alternatively, depending on specific layouts or updates to the website, you might notice a large, prominent sign in button on the main page itself. Regardless of where you find it, go ahead and click on this button to initiate the sign in process. Now, you'll be greeted with the sign in prompt, which presents you with a variety of ways to access your account. If you're one who appreciates convenience, you might consider signing in through a social account. Adobe Acrobat lets you connect quickly with platforms like Google, Facebook, or Apple by simply clicking Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. This option is perfect for those who remember their social media credentials or wish to streamline their sign-in process. Alternatively, if you prefer to go the more traditional route, there's always the reliable email method. Enter your email address into the provided field and click Continue. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Let's take a moment to discuss the next steps, which vary slightly based on your chosen sign-in method. If you opted for a social account to log in, get ready for a brief navigation to a new browser window. Here, you'll confirm your login details with the respective service. It's a simple and secure way to verify your identity and link your accounts. On the other hand, if you chose to proceed with the email option, you'll need to enter your password and then click Sign In. After this, just sit tight for a moment as the system processes your credentials. Once your sign-in is successful, the application will refresh. You'll notice your profile name or a personalized icon pop up in the top corner of the page. This is your confirmation that you're now signed in and ready to explore Adobe Acrobat's features. Welcome! From storing files effortlessly in the cloud to seamlessly using their e-signing tools, all these fantastic options are now at your fingertips. Enjoy delving into the host